What is the mass of an object if when there's 128 newtons of force, it accelerates at 3.7? And this is just meters per second squared. This is a fancy way of saying that. Okay, so let's see. Force, mass, acceleration. Okay, so mass will be force divided by acceleration. Okay, so 128 newtons divided by 3.7 meters per second squared. So 128 divided by 3.7. This is 34.6 roughly. Kilograms, or 35 is what it says down there. Okay. And then the question is, how do you get kilograms out of that? Remember that a newton is a kilogram meter per second squared, and then we're dividing by meters per second squared, so those units go away and you end up with kilograms. All right.